Hello, welcome to IP Television. Today I'll teach you the vowel sound E. E. This short vowel sound can be made by the letter E, as in the word chef. Chef. For in the word many, the letter A makes the sound. Many. Many. The letters E and A can also come together to make this sound, as in the word ready. Ready. The letters A and I together can also make this sound, as in the word said. Said. Now let's use some of these words in a short sentence example. Try and say the sentence in the right diction. The chef said he is ready. The chef said he is ready. Now it's your turn to practice. That's interesting. That's about it today on IP Television. Thank you very much for learning with me. But don't forget this. Speak right all the time. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and interact with us in the comment section. See you in our next video. To learn more, kindly subscribe to our English Diction program for schools or request for our tutor speaking partners. Kindly reach Ideal English Plus on the numbers displayed on your screen or on our social media handles on display. You can also email us via iamplus@yahoo.com.